Years after shooting bullets from her eyes with Akhiyon Se Goli Mare, Raveena Tandon is now up to take on mystery and crime with Netflix Aranyak. Raveena, welcome to IndianExpress.com. Firstly, I'll tell you the trailer doesn't reveal Raveena Tandon. It's Kasturi Dogra all the way. Tell us, how does it work for an actor to see the character bring alive or kind of just missing yourself?
I think, in fact, for an actor, that's the biggest compliment that you just gave me, that it is Kasturi Dogra all the way. There is no trace of you trying to look for Raveena Tandon. So that, I think, was the feedback that I got from a lot of everyone, and I take that as a very, very positive compliment, that what we work towards is maybe what we've managed to achieve.
And do you think that web space kind of gives you that chance to do that, what you were speaking? Because in movies, it's mostly the stars that sell.
I don't think so. I think there is, I think I kind of broke away from that many years ago when I did a film called Shool. And even now, people have not forgotten Manjari Bhabhi. So nobody came and told me that, oh, from Akhiyon Se Goli Mare, you played a low middle class housewife, a Bihari housewife with an accent, and you were Manjari Bhabhi, and we did not see Akhiyon Se Goli Mare there, so you were not Raveena Tandon there. So this is when I realized that yes, maybe I can achieve and set out to do for myself that what I want to do.
Take us into the world of Aranyak and Kasturi. Tell us a little more about the show.
I think besides the fact that it's a crime thriller, a character of Kasturi Dogra for me was something that I related to, I felt for, and I completely fell for. Because here's this fierce, talented, brilliant, tough, Pahadi cop. And she's just out there. She's this policewoman, and hardcore policewoman. She knows she has it in her. She has to achieve. She has to constantly fight against the, not physically, but to prove herself in a male-dominated society. And then she's a wife, and she's a daughter-in-law, and she's a mother, and she has her entire household that is literally dependent on her. So it is something that has been very beautifully essayed in the way the writing has also been formatted. You know, there's so many women out there in uniform who do strive everything in the world to achieve for their children, for their husbands, and help them to achieve their dreams. But what about their dreams? And what about them striving every day to look after their households, at the same time working probably on the roads the whole day in the sun? You know, and doing their job, which is physical and mental.
Has there been any moment when you were away and you felt ki this is the project that I desired to do and it's not coming to me, or it's come to me when I'm not around? And secondly, what's your take on the newer lot that's taking up the space that you once ruled?
First and foremost, I think there is space for everyone. And I've always believed in giving space to the new as well. When we came into the industry, there was a different, generation definitely of actors. There was already Sridevi ji, there was Madhuri ji, there was Juhi ji. But they accepted us, and we all carved our niches. There is an opportunity for everyone. So there is no two ways that one resents each other's presence. I think we all coexist, which is a great thing. And very well so, with that respect. So whether you see Alia today, or you see Deepika, or you see Katrina, I think they're all doing such great work. Because the time, I feel if I regret anything in my life, I don't think I would be sitting here. It's like a parallel life. You change that one thing somewhere, go back and do it. You don't know whether it'll connect the dots and bring you back here, where I am today. And I'm so thankful for Aranyak happening to me.
And lastly, Raveena, you've got everyone sitting up and watching Aranyak in amazement. Do you think this will kind of bring better roles for you when it comes to Bollywood?
Well, as far as the Indian film industry has been, they've always been very, very kind to me. I've just finished a film called KGF 2. I finished Matra about 3 years ago. Then I did KGF. In the interim, I did a reality show. In the interim, I did another Telugu movie. So I do movies when I feel like and how I feel like, and I think that they are which will matter to me in my career. career as well, and plus to give quality stuff to people who've been out there rooting for me till date. So after this, I think it'll be KGF. I've also finished another film for another a production house, which again maybe they will want a promotion like this, so I cannot really speak about. I just finished the dubbing also of that film, so I think I'll have at least 2 films releasing next year.